Well, this one I made up for fun. I don't believe in these things at all. It's just a laugh and a fun song. Yeah. Don't you know? It's Christmas time, gonna party good. All my friends, maybe go downtown first, yeah. What you think about it? Here it comes now. I'm counting up my money. Where we're gonna meet up? But I can't recommend nowhere, 'cause I'm drunk already. Alright. So all I remember, I put down my Telecaster and I got in the cab. Dancing, laughing, joking and having fun. Christmas Eve, oh yeah, and the snow coming down. When you're young and you're cold, you really don't mind. God, what time did we leave that place? No taxis around, no taxis around. But you're still having fun. Oh, throwing snowballs around and walking home, yeah. 'Cause your mama gonna wait for you, like she did when you was a boy. There she was after God knows how long, walking home, 'cause I smoked some weed too. Said your girlfriend called, I just wanna be sick and go and lie on down. Christmas Eve party. Christmas Eve party, my nose was running. Couldn't find no tissue at all. I can't pee myself, I had way too much to drink. Christmas Eve party, my baby is crying down the phone. Where you at? Alright. Well, everybody smiled at me Christmas Day, except my woman. Crazy on me. Yeah. She said, what you do last night? What you do last night? I said, honey, I try to be sorry, but you know I'm not. Just a boys' night out. Women left at home. It ain't personal, baby, nothing against you. Christmas Eve.